Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Ableton Live to control HeavyM projection mapping software. The first thing we need to do is to enable OSC control in the HeavyM software. Unfortunately, currently it's something you'll have to do every time you launch the software. In Ableton, you can take the HeavyM setup effect and throw it on the master channel. And here you need to set the IP address of the HeavyM software. If it's a local host, you can leave the IP as it is. Since currently I'm using two different computers for this demo, I'll just enter the IP address. The port is a default one, so you can leave it as is. So let's draw a shape inside HeavyM. Let's make it a bit bigger so it will be easier to see. Now I can take any of these pre-made Max for Live effects, enable the OSC control. Now I can easily manipulate them. You can see it's really straightforward. Not the best color selection in here. And what's nice about it, that we can actually do quite cool stuff. We'll add a filling. And we can automate these parameters quite easily and create effects which usually you won't be able to do in HeavyM. If we just go to, let's say, Max for Live effects and look for LFO, we can map this parameter, for instance, slow the rate. Can create really cool effects using this. So this is a very simple setup. Now I'm going to show you a more complex one. Let's switch projects. Okay, we have a sequencer. We can select the sequencers. I can automate different parameters as I pre-made in here, and you can see what's going on. Let's give it a go. See, I'm selecting and automating all these parameters. It's really cool. You can create really cool stuff with this. If you want to change groups, you can do it in the HeavyM setup. I can change the group I'm currently working on. Again, remember, you'll have to enable the OSC in each one of these. We have the effects, which we can automate as well. It's really cool, it's really easy and quite straightforward. What else? Besides the effects, we have the sequencer setup, which we can change sequences only by pressing. Of course, we can automate it. So it's really straightforward. Unfortunately, currently the control is not bidirectional. It means if I'll change something in the HeavyM software, I won't know it in Ableton, and I won't see it in here, so it could cause some misleading situations. But hopefully, if you just want to automate stuff using music or along the time, it's really easy and simple now to do it in Ableton. Hope you guys like it, and you'll be able to download all these effects, and hope you like it. Enjoy.